Lush forestscapes dance in the gentle breeze. Birds harmonize in sweet melodies. Nilgais peep out of the bushes, and delicate butterflies flutter around wild flowers. Indeed an escape from Gurugram's urban sprawl. The vibrant chorus of nature beckons you to immerse in its breathtaking splendor. Welcome to Karma Lakelands, an ecological Eden carved out in a space that is living and breathing with over 2 lakh plants and trees. The canopy of green includes the bamboo forest, ficus forest, Biodiversity Park, Devakar forest, and the Kailash sacred forest. While the award-winning 9-hole golf course maintained with restored water is the jewel in the crown, Karma Lakelands offers a golfing resort lifestyle amidst a 270-acre biodiverse paradise. As you traverse the sensory path along the periphery of the golf course, you can witness nature in all her glory. Breathe in tranquility as the air quality surpasses the city's average, placing it at par with global standards. Karma Lakelands hosts a multitude of entertainment zones ranging from multi-cuisine restaurants, sports facilities, outdoor activity spaces, an elaborate obstacle course, the Isha Room for wellness enthusiasts, and spiritual seekers among others. In this pristine haven, sustainability is a way of life. From verdant foliage nourished by restored water to solar power and biocomposting, every effort bows to nature. The ultimate homage to eco-friendly living with a symbiotic relationship. Karma Lakelands advocates no honking, no single-use plastic, and a conscious community. The expansive organic farmlands brim with produce for the restaurants at the resort. As majestic as the towering trees is the spectacular Shobha Aranya,